Tanya Sachdeva name is associated with which of the following games or sports? The correct answer is A, that is chess. So Tanya Sachdeva is an Indian chess player who holds the FIDE title of International Masters and Women Grandmaster. Indian player Anirban Lahiri is associated with the game of, the correct answer is B, that is golf. So Anirban Lahiri is an Indian professional golfer who plays on Asian Tours and PGA Tours. What is the full form of the sporting body NADA? The correct answer is D, that is National Anti-Doping Agency. The National Anti-Doping Agency is the national organization responsible for promoting, coordinating and monitoring the doping control program in sports in all its form in India. Who became the first batsman to score a double century in World Cup? The correct answer is D, that is Chris Gayle. So West Indies super hitter Chris Gayle wrote history by slamming the first ever double century at a Cricket World Cup during the 15th match of the ICC World Cup 2015. With which sports is Pulela Gopichand associated? The correct answer is D, that is badminton. So Pulela Gopichand is a former Indian badminton player. He is the chief national coach for the Indian national badminton team and he won the All England Open Badminton Championship in 2001 and became the second Indian to achieve this feat after Prakash Padukone. He runs the Gopichand Badminton Academy. He received the Arjuna Award in 1999 and the Dronacharya Award in 2009 and the Padma Bhushan Award, India's third highest civilian award, in 2014. Table tennis is also known as, the correct answer is B, that is ping pong. So table tennis also known as ping pong and whiff-waff. This is a sport in which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball, also known as the ping pong ball, and back and forth across a table using small solid rackets. Which country won the first FIFA World Cup? The correct answer is B, that is Uruguay. The first competition for the cup was organized in 1930 by the Federation International de Football Association, that is FIFA, and was won by Uruguay. Who has won the most number of Grand Slam titles? The correct answer is B, that is Rafael Nadal. So most Grand Slam title goes to Rafael Nadal, that is 21, and most Grand Slam women title goes to Serena Williams, that is 23. Which Indian sportsman is called a Haryana Hurricane? The correct answer is C, that is Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev Ramlal Nikanj is an Indian former cricketer and he was a fast medium bowler and a hard hitting middle order batsman and was named by Wisden as the Indian cricket of the century in 2002. Muhammad Ali was famous in the field of, the correct answer is A, that is boxing. So Muhammad Ali was a boxer and social activist who is universally regarded as one of the greatest athletes of the 20th century. And Ali became an Olympic gold medalist in 1960 and World Heavyweight Boxing Championship in 1964. Which of the following is not a cricket tournament? The correct answer is C, that is Santosh Trophy. So the Santosh Trophy is dedicated to football. Thomas Cup is associated with, the correct answer is A. That is badminton. Thomas Cup trophy signifying world supremacy in the sport of badminton, and the cup was donated in 1939 by Sir George Thomas for a series of men's international team competition to be managed by the International Badminton Federation. Which bowler has taken the most wickets in World Cup cricket? The correct answer is B. That is Glenn McGrath. In which year did the open era of tennis start? The correct answer is D. That is 1968. So the open era is the current era of professional tennis, and it begins in 1968 when the Grand Slam tournaments allowed professional players to compete. Which player has scored the maximum number of ducks in Test cricket? The correct answer is C. That is Courtney Walsh. So the player who has the honor of scoring the most ducks in the Test cricket is Courtney Walsh with 43 in 185 innings of the West Indies between November 1984 and April 2001. Jyoti Randhawa is associated to which sports? The correct answer is A. That is golf. So Jyotinder Singh Randhawa is an Indian professional golfer, and he play on the Asian Tour where he won 8 times between 1998 and 2009, and he was ranked in the top 100 of the official World Golf ranking. National Sports Day is observed on which of the following days? The correct answer is B. That is 29th August. So the National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th August on the birth anniversary of hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. Which of the following awards is the highest sporting honor in India? The correct answer is B. That is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. So Major Dhyan Chand Sports Jewel Award, formerly known as the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in sports and games. This is the highest sporting honors of India, and it is awarded annually by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Which cup or trophy is associated with the game of hockey? The correct answer is A. That is Dhyan Chand Trophy. So the Dhyan Chand Award, officially known as Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games, and the Lifetime Achievement Sporting Honor of the Republic of India. Ryder Cup is awarded to the players of, the correct answer is D. That is golf. So the Ryder Cup is a men golf competition between teams from Europe and the United States, and the competition is contested every 2 years with the venue alternating between courses in the United States and Europe. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.